Hi, it's Beth at Majestic Cupcakery, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious vegan Biscoff cupcakes. So I'm starting off with 125ml of soy milk in a bowl, then adding half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to that. This makes buttermilk sort of, so it will give your cupcakes the moisture and lightness it needs. Just set that aside for 5 minutes until it starts to curdle. I'm going in with another bowl and adding 112 grams of self-raising flour, followed by 88 grams of melted vegan butter. Alternatively, you can use vegetable oil for a lighter texture. Then 100 grams of vegan brown sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of bicarb of soda. At this point, our milk and apple cider vinegar mixture should be lovely and curdled. Don't worry, this is how it's supposed to look. We are just going to mix the milk mixture together with the dry ingredients, whisking it together until all combined. Then just set this aside. I added a biscuit base to my cupcakes for added texture, using about 200 grams of crushed Biscoff biscuits. I incorporated melted vegan butter to achieve the consistency you would when making a cheesecake base. Now I'm just pouring this into the cases and pressing it down firmly with a rolling pin. You want to bake it like this for 5 to 6 minutes to crisp up a little. I'm just going in with the vegan cupcake mixture on top with an ice cream scoop for precise measuring. Bake again for 20 to 25 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean. This is our baked cupcake. I'm just adding some vegan vanilla buttercream to this, which is 200 grams of vegan butter, 450 grams of icing sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add some crushed Biscoff biscuits and a full biscuit for added crunch. And there you go, that is our vegan Biscoff cupcake. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and we will see you next week. Bye!